Now dear student, we are going to solve question number 7.7 and in this question it is given to you. Let us try to understand first question. Two particles each of mass small m and speed v travel in opposite direction along parallel lines separated by a distance small d. Okay, so situation is given to you like this. Let's suppose I am taking this is a coordinate axis. Let's suppose this is x axis, this one is y axis. Clear? Now we can see two particles each of mass m and speed v travel in opposite direction. So let's suppose I am saying here we have mass m and here we also have one more particle having mass m. Clear? Both are moving in opposite direction. So let's suppose I am assuming initially that both particles are moving along y direction. So let's suppose this is going in a positive y direction. So we can say this one is going in negative y direction. Clear to everyone? Yes. It is also given separation distance between both particles we have small d. Okay. Now we have to show angular momentum vector of two particle system is same whatever be the point about which angular momentum is taken. Clear? So let's suppose I am taking here angular momentum about origin. Clear? And let's suppose I am saying this distance we have x. Clear? So let us try to find angular momentum with respect to this origin. So how can I write? Actually we know angular momentum is given by r cross p. Yes or no? So I can say r. So for that one, if I am talking about particle number 1, so let's suppose this is particle number 1, this is particle number 2. So now I can say this is r cross p, r vector. R vector this is given to you. I can say this is x I cap cross. Clear? I can say this is we can say r cross p, this is r, and if we are talking about p, so I can say this is positive y direction. So mv, and I can we can write here this is j cap. Clear? X I cap cross mv j cap. Clear? Now after that we can write here plus, because we are doing here vector addition, because here we can say in angular momentum with magnitude direction is also associated. Clear? So if we talk about angular momentum of second particle with respect to origin, we can write r. R we can say x plus d, and this is I cap cross. Clear? Now we can say this particle is going in negative direction. So we can write mv and this is minus j cap. Clear everyone? So from we can say mxv, clear, I cross j. Clear? We can write here x plus d mv. Clear? And we can say I cross j, and here we have minus also. Clear? So I am writing here minus also in multiplication. Clear? So now what we can write? We can write like this mxv I cross j, we have k cap. Clear? Minus mvx plus mvd. Clear? And we have again I cross j is k cap. Clear? So if you operate, we can write like this k cap minus mvx k cap minus mvd this one k cap. Clear? So from here we can say this one and this one cancelled out. Clear? Or we can say this is we are getting minus mvd and this one is k cap. Clear to everyone? So from here you can say if we are talking about angular momentum with respect to origin, angular momentum with respect to origin, we can say here we are not getting any value of x. Clear? It means we can say angular momentum between these two bodies, it does not depending on a reference point. Clear? You can take reference at any point and always you will get angular momentum having magnitude mvd. Yes or no? So this is all about this question. In this question we have proved that angular momentum vector of two particle system is same whatever point about which angular momentum is taken. Clear? So this is all about this question.